actually found something new about this controller. I've owned this one for about well, 3 or 4 years, and I literally just figured something out on the firmware. We go into it and controller settings. Yeah, whatever. You see this here, it says manual cruise or auto cruise. Now, when I got the firmware, when I got this controller, it did not give me any info on half of this stuff, and I literally just figured it out. So here's how you get the auto cruise to work. There's no switch. How it works is you hold the throttle open. Oops. And you hold it there. As long as you don't deviate up or down, you hold it for more than 10 seconds. It's a safety feature, by the way. And let it off. There's your auto cruise. And the minute you touch the throttle again, it's off. Now, when I bought this, it did not give me instructions on how to use that. I literally just figured it out. Been playing with this for the last couple of days. I'm still playing with different features, and there's a few wires that are snipped. I'm trying to figure out what they're for. But that is a cool feature that I had no idea I had, because I would have used it. See, if you even deviate even a little bit, it won't kick in. It's a good safety feature. Pretty cool, eh? And that's auto cruise. That's the other thing I like about this controller is the fast start and the soft start. When you play with those, oh my god! If it was a rear motor, you could probably do wheelies. The forward and reverse works pretty good as well. I haven't tried playing with those. The Hall sensor, I haven't tried that, or ECO mode. Oh yeah, I did try the ECO mode, and I found it too sucky. But I wanted to share the definitely wanted to share the auto cruise, because if I knew I had that years ago, I would have used it on some really long rides. Later, guys.